Hi guys, welcome back to our complete web development course. In our previous video we have installed VS Code in our operating system. Now today we will set up VS Code and create our first website. So let's get started. Alright guys, so when the first time you open up VS Code you will see something like that interface. So in order to write a code we need to create a new folder. So let's first create a new folder and name Web Development Tutorial. Now go back to the VS Code and click on Open Folder. Now here select the folder that you have just created. Now here we need to create a file, so click on New File and name your file anything with the extension of .html. Now click on this file, and here you can write your HTML code. But first we need to select a language, since we write our code in an HTML, so let's type the HTML in the search bar. Now select HTML. So that is it. Now here you can write an HTML code and run it to see the results. Now let's move on to the second part of this tutorial, that is creating your first website. So the very important thing about the VS Code is that if you only type the exclamation mark and hit enter, it will automatically generate a basic HTML page known as boilerplate. Now you may wonder what this boilerplate is. Actually, this is the basic HTML page structure, and inside the body tags you can write your content. If you wanted to learn more about it, then visit our website, link is in the description below to clearly understand this boilerplate. Now we are going to write HTML code and create our first website. Let's first change the title name and write our own title for our website. Now as you may know that we always must write our HTML code between the body tags. So let's write a short paragraph as my first website. Now in the top left corner you will see Run option. Just click on it and select Run without debugging. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first website. If you wanted to add one more line to your website, simply hit enter and write the text you want to use, then again click on Run. Here it is. This is the text we have just write in our VS Code. Now you probably may wonder why the size of this text is bigger than this. Well, don't worry about that, we will discuss about it in the next video, or you check our website to understand basic HTML elements. Link is in the description. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Follow us if you wanted to learn web development for free.